Alright, what's going on, everyone? So, not making a regular video today, which I hate because I love making videos and stuff. And you know, there's a reason for that. I absolutely hate this video. I really don't want to make this. It's stupid. But you know, I have to say it because honestly, it's been annoying. It's been bothering me for about, I'd say, a month and a half now or so. Is probably how long it's been going on for. So recently, I'm gonna stop clapping my hands. But recently, I figured out that YouTube has been shadow banning my content. And basically banning my content from people seeing it. They're letting me keep my channel, which is great, but it's weird because my account's in good standing. Like, I don't have any copyright claims. I don't swear in my videos usually, but this shit is just fucking stupid. Like, I don't even understand, like, why I'm being banned. I tried emailing them. Or actually, no, wait, sorry, I can't even email them. I don't know why I said that. I meant to say that I've been trying to contact them on Twitter. They replied, and you know, they said they'd get somebody to email me about this issue, but it's been, I think, 72 hours now, and I haven't received a single email, and they said it'd be associated with my channel, so I checked literally every single email I have. They haven't emailed me once, and they said they were going to do that, and then when I've tried to contact them, I think, like 4 or 5 times in these last 2 days, I haven't gotten a single response, not the slightest on Twitter. So just ignorance there, which is great. And you know, I'm sure there's other people facing similar issues, but they're letting me keep my channel. They haven't, I mean, again, I haven't done anything wrong to get my channel banned, so I'm really confused here. But just stupid shit. I'm not gonna monetize this. It's really just fucking dumb. I don't know why this is happening. If anybody could tell me, it'd be great. But you know, they aren't sending my notifications either, because I know half the people that, you know, watch my content. I replied to a lot of my DMs, and they said, "Hey Tristan, have you been posting lately?" I'm like, "What are you talking about?" And they're like, "Oh, well, what do you mean?" And I go on my channel, and they're like, "Yeah, you've been posting," but like they haven't been notified about it, hasn't been in their sub boxes or anything. And you know what's the funny thing is that I'm in the YouTube partner program, but the thing is that I can't even email them. Like, that's just ridiculous. Like, they're just completely blocking me from even being able to contact them. They're ignoring me on their Twitter support. The community tab is really just dumb. It doesn't really, like, I can't even, like, add anything to it. Like, I have no way to even reach out to support to fix this issue. And the only way I can solve this is literally just by, like, people have said, oh, just putting out more content, quality content, so working harder will obviously get, you know, YouTube promote your videos more. But that just hasn't seemed to be the case, honestly. And you all probably noticed that. Like, I just have not been pulling any really sort of views lately. And you know, it's a bit upsetting because I work hard, but it's fine, you know. Or it's not fine because I work hard. Like, I spent, like, on my video yesterday, which if y'all want to go check that out, just go to my channel, click videos. Don't go through, like, the community tab or anything there, because YouTube probably has me blocked in there or something that I don't even know about. But you know, they've had people with similar issues like this, and they've been able to contact them and sort of figure it out. But I haven't received a single Twitter reply, email, anything. I just want to speak on this because it's dumb. I can't even fix it. So it's basically a thing I'm dealing with. It's like being blackballed in the music industry. There's really no fix to it. There's just, that's it, and that's it. And basically, I'm being sort of like blackballed, I guess you want to call it that, on YouTube. You know, I can't do anything about it. I can't even email them. I don't have the option for some reason. And even though I'm in the YouTube partner program, my channel was in good standing. I have no copyright strikes, no content claim IDs. I think I only have a few demonetized videos, and the ones that are demonetized are for no reason, honestly. So, you know what? Just YouTube's on the shit again, really fucking me over, which is great. And yeah, you know, I'm serious because I don't like to cuss my videos. I like to keep it clean because I don't, like, when I speak, I usually don't use a lot of those words. Unless I know you really well, then I may be a bit more, like, explicit with my language. But, like, it's just, this is completely dumb. They're completely fucking me over. And yeah, you know, Mom, sorry if you see this. Excuse my language. Same with Dad, brother, sister, friends, whatever. If you guys care about that sort of stuff, I know my mom does. But yeah, I just really need to talk about this because it sucks, because I am trying to put out good content. I'm, like, trying to do this and, like, be a good content creator because I love, like, helping people with, like, the Supreme Weeks and things like that. Like, I love helping people, and, like, in real life too. Like, that's something I'm into. And especially producing content, because that's fun, you know. It's just something I enjoy. And I'm putting in all this work, and I'm getting banned for it. I'm getting blocked. I can't fix it because I have no options to contact them. When I tried to call them, they just said, okay, thank you. Or, like, they just said, okay, thank you, go to the community tab, and then they just hung up. So, yeah, you know, just, it's great. You know, if I am being shadow banned, I want to know why. Or by who, because, you know, that will be a really interesting one if I figure out who is doing it. That will be lovely. But yeah, it doesn't mean it is someone. I'm just saying this is just absolutely ridiculous. Your boy's been banned by the big platform itself. Probably one of the very few that has been, honestly. But yeah, until then, I'll be posting still. Just, you're gonna have to just sort of check on the video tab. Expect videos between like 5 p.m. and like 9 p.m. because that's the only times like I'll really post it. If it's after 9, I probably won't post it. But just check every day because they're not gonna send you notifications. So it's great. Love YouTube, but dude, like, can I at least get some help here?